What is up? This goes to my boy Lascar XRP. We are going to do an analysis on XRP on the price action of this daily chart. We're going to refer back to the tweets. So, way back in January 30th, 29th, we had our last known resistance at 27 cents, 28, and 28,863. That was our resistance that needed to be closed above, based off all of this, but this is irrelevant because this is our last known resistance. We broke up, had major price action all in these higher levels of 68 cents all in these years. So this is 2021, and we had this price action here. February 2nd, it pulled back to 36 cents and a low of 33 cents. So that is our last known support of this major move that the market made. So we came back to our support level. This is all of the structure that was created in this range right here in between 33, 35 cents. Major structure. Held, all of this held, created the structure. We were able to break last known resistance and close major high time frame above 77 cents. And between April and May 24th, we tested all of that area, the structure of the past of all of the news events that came in this time frame, which was the lawsuit, all in this time frame. So now, this is our major supports coming from 2021, way to the left. Zoom all the way out. Look how far we are. 2021, now. So this is all support levels that were all getting retested, all in this 32 cents to 50 cent area. So we made the tweets right here. We were pumping above right at 40 cents. 40 cents. So right here, we had a daily close above 40 cents. Great thing. This is great because we're breaking all of the resistances here in the market structure. We're breaking all of this. So as long as we stay above this purple line, great. We are good, because even then, this candle closed above 46 cents. We closed on the daily. We made the tweet somewhere in there, mid-afternoon, 42 cents. We closed above 46. Made a high of 49.88, and then now today we are at 54. So this is great. This candle closed, well, hasn't closed yet, but this candle is at 53. It has a high of 54, low of 47. So as long as we can stay above support of 47, we are great. It has to stay above that level. We still have a week left of September. October 1st, Saturday, is new month, new monthly candle, major time frames. You have this box that the market created. As long as this candle can close outside of the box, that is good, because the next known resistance that we have to test is this candle. That is the high. No matter what, it is going to test that. If it can hold it down, then we come back to these levels. If 47 doesn't hold it, we'll come back down to this level, 32. But in a week, this happened in not even a day. We're still on this candle. Weekly candle still has to close. Daily still hasn't closed. This could pull all the way back and we start testing 46 in a couple hours. And I'm CST, so it's 11:03 here. So as long as we can continue closing above 46, it is going to come back and retest this, because this is our current support levels. That is the most current structure that has to maintain price to continue this pump, this so-called pump. This happened in such a short time, so everybody's reacting to it. This is not really big until we start closing above. What candle is this? 65 cents. We have to close above 65 cents before we have another range of 11,000. And just a natural thing of the market, this is a little triangle that's going to form. It's going to bounce around in here. It's going to do its little thing. People are going to call it whatever they want to call it, wedge, flag, whatever. This could break down. It could pull up. This could just push straight into that range again. Or this support holds strong enough to push us another level up. Like, that is all the possibilities that can happen over the long time frame, because the dailies have to close above all of these major levels to continue price. People have to be willing to buy here so the market can react to it. Resistance, resistance, resistance. So until we even break 79 again, let's see. So here's your trend. Market's breaking out of trend. This is a classic pattern. Like, this looks perfect. It's setting up perfect. Just in time for, and I don't normally draw this, all of this on a chart, but I'm trying to cover a lot of things in a short amount of time. I'm just trying to give examples and let everybody see how they view the market, on how XRP is playing such a big role in price action. It is setting itself up perfectly for the lawsuit coming into settlement, all of this ISO 20022, gold-backed currency, all of this is all playing a huge part in how XRP is printing its price action, especially based on Ethereum, because Ethereum and Bitcoin is, it looks pretty bad to me. That looks bad. That hasn't broken its trend. That doesn't look like XRP. Let's see, where's Bitcoin? High time frame, highest you can go. That doesn't look like an uptrend. That doesn't look like a good sign yet. Not saying it can't break, can't push up, but I don't know. That's a lot of momentum down. Can we even hold this as support? It's going to take a long time to start rounding off. Even if we come back to XRP just to give you a time frame of what's going on, XRP did its thing over the time. It came back around. It was able to grind out this support, find its way. All right, can we start testing back up at these higher levels? And then it's just going to cycle back through. Daily's going to close. It might leave a wick up, close about around, I don't know, let me give a guess, 49 cents, let's say. And that'll be our signals to start entering here if you want to. This is not financial advice. Please trade at your own risk, but this would be a place to load up if we do see 46 start holding over the daily time frame. Get in that. Start dollar cost averaging, just boom, boom, boom. That would be perfect. Not financial advice, please trade at your own risk, but man, this is setting itself up perfectly over the longer period of time based off of our other currencies that people are going crazy about. So these are the possibilities and what can happen on XRP in the next couple days and weeks to come, because our monthly is about to close. So as long as we can continue this momentum, the monthly is going to be great. It's set itself up perfectly. We are right on this candle where all of the trend lines intercept. So this is major, major support right here. 46, as long as it can continue to hold that level, we're going up all into this space here. This is crazy. And then if we can take the range that it made from January 24th to April 11th, I would have to give it time because it closed way low, but let's just take this range. I think we would be able to get to at least $2. At least. If this can start pumping from here after we close 67, next stop would be $2 minimum. $2. And we also have to remember that XRP is one of the very few that has ever retested its all-time high. So it's a lot to keep in mind, and the timing of how the price action is playing out. I'm excited. This is looking great. And I know this is a lot. I know this is a lot, but we normally keep it simple. Just to give you an idea of what's going on, this is box and chill. Consolidation. Let it do its thing. As soon as we close, we execute. Man, this it's setting up perfect, guys. If we were doing a live stream, this is exactly how we would set it up. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. We would go for 10 pips. Boom, here we go. That's where it would be. Let's keep a range where we at. Yeah. But guys, please do not take any of this as financial advice. It it is about to be Friday. We have an hour left CST. So please do not overtrade. The week is not over. Let the market do its thing. Trust the market. If you believe in the technology, you're going to invest properly. If you're in it, stay in it. You have diamond hands at this point. We know the bag is getting heavy, but as an army, we're carrying it together. So there's a bright future ahead, guys. I'm so happy to be a part of this opportunity with all of you. So I hope anyone out there finds this helpful. And Lascar, this is what I was talking about that needs to happen for us to actually pump. This is short time frame movements, and shorter time frames don't normally stay in the same spot. So over the average, long term, good signs so far, but we still have to close for the month. That's crucial right there. This candle has to close outside of this box. So let's go ahead and make an analysis for Twitter. This is going to be our chat right here. This is kicking it off. Finally got to plug my mother computer back in. And we getting back to it. Welcome to Bankroll Solutions. So, resistance turns support, and we looking at 42.74. So this candle had a high of 42542. So that is our last known resistance. We know this area as our no trade zone. That's our consolidation area. Do not trade inside of that area. Consolidation. This is where price does not move. We want to see price action closing outside of our support and resistance zones. And we have a support $0.28. So 65 cents is our next test target. We'll round that number to 6570. Alright, so this will be our analysis. We have a resistance turn to support at 42 cents, which is this candle right here on our monthly. We have to close above it. Very crucial. Once the the chart shows us that we continue closing above 42, that's clear sign that we can have buys in this area. So we'll see how it goes. Please do not take this as financial advice. This is a mock-up of an analysis that we would do on our live streams. So we're going to keep this on our chart. We're actually going to save this template. Let's go ahead and let's let it play out. This is beautiful. It is setting up beautifully. And it left a large wick at the bottom, so you know that that was enough power to get it out for sure. Let's go ahead and take a look. Actually, looking at the line chart, this is very important too. If you guys only read candlesticks, it is important to look at the line chart as well. We're actually going to move our test target to 81 to make this even more of, I guess, a assurance that we are going to be testing our all-time highs. This next move will be to the all-time highs. So, on the average monthly, we need to be above 65. This may be next month. This could be 3, 5, 7 months from now. Whatever it may be. They could even wait until 2025. However long they want to continue the corruption. So, for this to be considered any type of real bull run, pump, push, moon, whatever we're calling it, it needs to be above 65. No matter what, it needs to be above 65. So let's hope this can keep going. Let's hope the price action shows us what we need to see. And I hope everyone has a great night. Peace out. I hope everyone finds this helpful. And please do not take this as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But this is Bankroll Solutions, baby. And let's get this bag.